Well, it's Workshop Wednesday. Mikey is putting a new sump gasket on the gearbox of my Crown Vic. Chris has just fixed the damper. And tubby little Captain Connor has fixed the JCB so he gets to drive it. He hasn't driven it before. Give it a go then! Don't hit anything expensive! Yeah, you drove this about 4 or 5 years ago.
Yeah.
Broke it.
I didn't break it.
No, it's not the police car you broke.
That was Chris driving that.
Oh, was it?
I put the handle on the boot.
Well, we've changed the filter and we've put a new sump gasket in it. A load of water coming out of the exhaust, which is wonderful. It's got a magnificent straight through system. You've got the cats. And then that's it. Give it a bit of a rev, Mikey. Oh, we've got an exhaust blower 3. That's all right. Yeah, looking good. Not leaking yet. Just let it get warm. Mikey, stop trying to kill me. Stay on your side of the road. Elbow in the gutter. Alan, not into oncoming traffic. Isn't that right, Harry? Okay, give it a bit. How satisfying is that? Yeah. Trying to kill me. It's a big wobbly boat, isn't it?
It's nice, isn't it?
Yeah, I love it. I think.
Just don't like the fact I'm over here and not over there.
Yes, it's a weird thing to drive, but once you realise that those bounces just sort themselves out,
Yeah.
it's all gravy, baby. It's all baby gravy. Away. Hold on, Harry, we're turning. Remember, don't indicate with the gear stick or you'll put it in reverse. One on the left's the one you want. Yeah, she's fixed. Yeah, we probably will. Just nose it in a bit. Harry, we made it. Kebab's next, mate. Well done. Good job. In the park.
I have to put the hazard lights on to put it in park.
No, just to take it out of park. She is bloody fixed. Don't forget headlights.
How'd you turn it off?
That one. You got it? Yeah, they're off. They're still digging. Daisy Duke next.